Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort, where epic vacations begin. And now, there's a brand new way to stay in the heart of the action. Say hello to Universal's Terra Luna Resort, your gateway to an out-of-this-world adventure. Welcome to Universal Terra Luna Resort, the cosmic-inspired oasis nestled adjacent to Epic Universe at Universal Orlando Resort. Open since March 2025, this hotel brings the thrill of outer space right to your doorstep. Inspired by the thrill of exploring the unknown and pushing the limits of discovery, Terra Luna combines futuristic design with the comfort and convenience of a Universal hotel. It's bold, stylish, and full of space-age vibes, all at a price that's down to earth. Step inside and you're instantly transported with vibrant lighting, sleek finishes, and a fresh, modern atmosphere. It's like checking into the future. The check-in desk sits to your right, with a Luna bar at the end of the lobby, with plenty of seating to unwind after a long day in the parks. Universal has a great feature where you can check in online before you arrive so you can get to your room faster. You'll stop by the check-in desk when you arrive to pick up your keycards. You might even get to pick what design you want. These are great souvenirs to remember your stay. Check-in is at 4 p.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. You can always try to check in early to see if your room is ready before 4 o'clock. But if it's not and you want to go play at the theme park, then you still can. You can leave your luggage with luggage services. It's right next to the check-in desk as you first walk into the hotel. This is also where you can get your celebration buttons. We picked up our birthday celebration buttons here, and the team member was nice enough to add a little bit of pizzazz to the buttons to make it extra special. The Vacation Planning Center is off to the left as you walk in. This is where you can purchase park tickets and even become an annual pass holder. If you bought your ticket online, this is where you can pick them up. If you've been to Terra Luna's sister resort, the Stella Nova, then you'll notice that everything is opposite. Rooms are off to the right and dining off to the left. But at the Terra Luna, it's the reverse. Rooms are off to the left and dining is off to the right. Each room at Terra Luna is designed for comfort and convenience. With cozy beds, spacious layouts, and plenty of room to recharge, it's a perfect launch pad after a day in the parks. Terra Luna features 750 identical guest rooms. Each is 315 square feet. The rooms offer 2 queen beds, ideal for families, and a striking spaceship-style window that either faces the pool or Epic Universe skyline. Standard amenities include a mini fridge, coffee maker, safe, hairdryer, in-room Wi-Fi, and plenty of charging ports. Accessible rooms are available with ADA features such as roll-in showers or visual alarms. Terra Luna Resort is actually a very good value. Its sister resort is the Stella Nova, which is often priced a little bit higher. The prices are date-based and can be anywhere from $150 to $200 a night. The main difference between the rooms is that some have a bathtub and others have a shower. If you have a preference, you can request it when you book your stay. The rooms sleep 4, but if you have a bigger party, don't worry. About 65% of the rooms are adjoining, so you can easily get 2 rooms that connect. Another feature you have to check out is the special hallway on level 3. This hallway is above the lobby, and since they couldn't put rooms in this section, they decided to do something special with it. The Stella Nova Resort also has a special hallway on level 3. Each are unique. Each floor has an ice machine and a water bottle fill station near the elevators. Need a break from the action? Float your cares away in the relaxing resort-style pool. Grab a drink, catch some rays, or just unwind under the stars. The resort boasts a 10,000 square foot zero-entry pool, complete with a hot tub, interactive splash pad, fire pit, outdoor games, and poolside seating. Great for both daytime play and evening relaxation. Plus, they show movies by the pool at night. They also have complimentary life vests, poolside, and a place to get some clean towels. The pool is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Stay active in the state-of-the-art fitness center with cardio and weight equipment, plus locker rooms and showers. Game lovers, you're covered too. dive into the arcade game room and have some fun. I think it's pretty much the same games that the other one had. Need souvenirs or essentials? The Universal Orlando Resort store on site has everything from sundries to Epic themed merch. You'll find something from each world at Epic Universe. You can also pick up your power-up bands here, which I recommend. That way you're ready to play before your Epic Universe day. If you forgot anything, you can always check out the Universal store to find what you need. They have Tylenol, sunblock, aloe, and most of the essentials. Feeling hungry? Terra Luna's casual dining options have you covered, from quick bites to refreshing drinks, all just steps away from your room. Omega Cafe and Market serve up made-to-order American classics for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, plus grab-and-go options if you're in a hurry. There's plenty of seating at the Omega Cafe. You'll even find Coca-Cola freestyle machines. They have resort refillable mugs that cost $19 for a 1 to 3 day stay or $25 for a 4 to 7 day stay. Unfortunately, they were out when we were there. The resort was actually quite busy during our stay. Here are the hours at the Omega Cafe and Market. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Lunch is from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Dinner is from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. And the grab-and-go market is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. The Omega Cafe has plenty of variety on the menu. They even have kids' meals. My son got the macaroni and cheese dish, and I was amazed at how much food came with it. An adult could be satisfied with the portion size. The mac and cheese was very good, nice and creamy with plenty of flavor. My kids also loved getting pizzas during our stay. They have an option for pizza on the kids' meal, or you could even get the 10-inch pizzas that are easily shareable. They offer the classic pepperoni or cheese, plus a few specialty pizzas such as the Hawaiian Moon and the Hot Honey Chicken. If you come back from the parks to find the market closed, they also offer pizza delivery right to your room, available from 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. By the pool, you'll find both Moonrise Grill, offering burgers, salads, quesadillas via walk-up or mobile order, and Moonrise Bar, where you can relax with a refreshing drink. And of course, staying here means you're just minutes from the thrills. With complimentary shuttle transportation, you're just a short ride away from Universal Studios Florida, Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay and City Walk, and Epic Universe. Terra Luna guests enjoy valuable perks such as early park admission to Epic Universe, Universal Volcano Bay, and the Wizard World of Harry Potter at Islands of Adventure up to 1 hour before opening. Transportation is a breeze with complimentary shuttles to all Universal parks and City Walk. Stella Nova Resort is right next door and has a walking path to Epic Universe. However, the Terra Luna Resort does not offer a direct walking path to Epic Universe. It's possible to walk to Epic Universe, but it takes you on a much longer route. Universal hasn't officially made an easy walking path to it. However, the shuttles are constantly going to and from Epic Universe, so you won't be waiting long. The resort has a parking fee of $30 for overnight guests. There is also an Avis car rental desk open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day of the week. But if you would rather let someone else do the driving, Universal offers transportation from the airport to the Universal resorts. The Superstar Shuttle is available to book for anyone staying at a Universal resort. For a round trip, it's $39 per adult and $36 per kid, ages 3 to 9. Ages 2 and younger are free. If you want to learn more about the Superstar Shuttle, you can watch the video about our experience using it. Another perk for staying here is you can have your park purchases delivered straight to your resort, so it's one less thing to carry. Just remember you can't do it if you're checking out the next day, because it could take up to 24 hours before your purchases arrive to your resort. You will pick up your purchases at the check-in desk. This is a newer resort, so there may be some kinks that need to be worked out still. During our stay, there was a day when the water pressure in our room wasn't working. However, it only lasted a few hours, and then it was normal. We enjoyed our stay. The rooms were nice and clean, and the price was a good value. We have a bigger family, so we booked 2 rooms. The rooms were adjoining, one had a shower and the other a bathtub. The food was good, although the first night my pizza was a little undercooked, and the next day the pizza crust was burnt in places, but overall the food was good. We didn't have any problems with noise. I never heard any of our neighbors. I'd say it's worth it to stay at this resort, which sits adjacent to Universal Epic Universe. From futuristic lobby vibes and comfortable rooms to stellar amenities and exclusive perks, Universal Terra Luna Resort is a perfect launchpad to your Universal Orlando adventure. If you want to see the other resorts near Epic Universe, watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the parks.